Horse racing is where we start. It could be a fitting celebration for trainer Gary Sobrati if one of his two charges can win the 100th running of the Jamaica Derby over 12 furlongs at Caymanas Park tomorrow. Sobrati will be saddling 5-2 anti-post favourite Nipster and second favourite Wow Wow in the 10-horse field as Shipanza has been scratched after being stung by a scorpion. Denise Walters reports.
The St. Leger, the second leg of the Triple Crown series, produced a major upset when 31-1 shot Nipster gave the performance of his career to be 2,000 guineas winner and a stablemate Wow Wow. As a result, Nipster denied Wow Wow any chance of becoming the fifth Triple Crown champion in 12 years. Nipster, with Linton Steadman aboard, celebrated victory 50 yards out, winning by a length in the second fastest St. Leger time of 2 minutes 6 flat, behind Warzone's 2 minutes 5 2/5 done in 1996. Trainer Gary Sobrati says the way Nipster won after another affair had set some blistering splits, the casual trick Nippet Bay Colt will be very hard to beat once again after making up some 15 lengths, turning for home.
Definitely, he will stay. I mean, he's the only one that's showing that he can stay right now in the race. 2 furlongs shouldn't affect him.
After an outstanding 2-year-old season and a very competitive 3-year-old campaign, winning 11 straight races, including the first leg of the Triple Crown series, Wow Wow looked set to be another Triple Crown winner before the unseen happened. However, Sobrati believes Robert Hallidine can make it right aboard the talented colt.
He shouldn't be having any pressure. He knows he's on the best horse in the race, so one of the best horses in the race. So he should ride with the confidence, and I think he's shown that he can get the job done, and we believe in him, and we just want to move forward from there.
One of a kind with a 3-time former champion Dane Nelson, who is winless in the Derby, could improve on his third-place finish in the St. Leger. Trainer Anthony Babanunes says the extra 2 furlongs is right for the late-running chestnut colt.
Yeah, I think he most definitely stays a trip. He will enjoy 12 furlongs, every inch of it. He's a late blooming colt. He only made his debut in June, so I think he lacks a little experience, but he's been gaining it with every start, and he's responding nicely in training, and so far so good.
The much talked about Mahogany, to be ridden by 6-time former champion jockey Omar Walker from the barn of Ian Passad, will need to turn around his disappointing St. Leger performance after coming out of the gates 15 lengths behind the leading group. Mahogany finished 4th, 7 lengths behind, weakening up the straight. His stablemate Double Crown could find the top 3 runners hard to upstage. The Wayne Acosta pair of King Arthur, to be ridden by Philip Parchment, and a fearless champion with leading jockey Anthony Thomas in the saddle, could also find the last 2 furlongs a mountain to climb. Post time for the prestigious Blue Ribbon event is 4:05 p.m. 11 a.m. is first post for the 10-race card. Live racing coverage will be on Power 106 FM. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.